So what up guys, I just got invite for this particular task, so I'm trying to do the interview now, which I'm going to show you guys. So this is it. Come here. It talks about AI facial data collection task. Now the pay is very good. If you click here, it's going to show you like what you should be expecting from the pay. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Once you are able to submit for it, it's going to tell you to complete the basic requirements, and currently now it's not restricted to your region, so you can, it's open to remote individuals. All you need to do is AI facial data collection contribution tax, and you're good to go. It says here micro1 is a leading AI data lab for training frontier models and evaluating AI agents. Now experts contribute their diverse subject matter knowledge across domains such as finance, healthcare, STEM engineering, and more. So this all talks about AI training. So if you're interested in doing this, you can jump on this. There are lots of other tasks too, so I'll be dropping links to them. So you want to look out for this one. This one I just got a mail invite, and I'm looking forward to testing it out. It says here these are some of the insights from this. It said AI facial data collection contribution, location remote, get paid from home. In this fully remote AI training project, by providing a few selfies and a short video of yourself. Now, selfies and videos will be used to train AI data. That's something you want to know. Although the pay is like about $139 to $140 per hour. You can see it here. I hope you guys can see it. But these are just some requirements to know. So if it's okay by you, if you feel it's something you want to go through with, you can check it out. It's just one of the means where people get to earn money remotely. Now the key responsibility is that you'll be submitting high quality selfies and a video recording according to project guidelines. Now follow the instructions carefully, report any issues, and follow feedback to improve future submissions. Now next up, it says must have clear selfie for your videos to be accepted, or selfies to be accepted to submit, captured with a smartphone or camera. So make sure you have these. Next up, it says able to follow instructions and pay attention to detail, comfortable working independently, and reporting any issues that may arise. Now these are just some stuff. I said you receive a one-time payment after you submit the amount of selfies and videos required by the project. So depending on how many hours work, you could calculate what you should be expecting. Now this was posted. The reason why you can apply for this, or one of the tips when you're working on micro1 or any of these projects, is for you to check out the dates they were posted. Now it says that this was posted August 6, 2026. I searched this out, but you can also check for other roles that could fit you. I'll be dropping our link below so you can use it to sign up. When you sign up on our link, it also gives up some bonus to continue supporting our work of trying to keep up and share more alphas such as this. Now this is all you need to do is just selfies, video recordings, attention to detail. So if you've done this, let me know. I'm currently heading out to check out my interview now, and that's just it, guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if what platforms you're working on, what tools or any other insight, guys. And I think that should be kind of all. I'll be dropping insights. I think I'll try as much as possible if I can attach some of the interview questions for you guys. Maybe for those people that want to learn from it, maybe just in case. But make sure you have a good mic. So I'm using a desktop currently, so make sure you have a laptop. I'm also using this mic, as you can see here. But if you don't have a mic, I believe you can also use it like that, or if you have an earpiece or an headset, you could also try and use it like that. So that's just pretty all. And I think any other feedback, I'll try and attach it, guys. So peace out, one love, and it's your boy Keys. Just let me know what you any questions, drop in the comment section, and I'll attend to everyone, guys. Cheers.